On the outside casing we have the temperature setting, and there is usually a reset button right here. Also you can see there is a wiring diagram. Two connects directly to 4 with the reset button in between, and I'll show you how that works. One connects to the thermostat switch and also the reset switch. So let's begin with the reset switch. It's kind of simple. When something goes bad, this will be pulled outside and break all contacts. Contact number 2 is directly connected to contact number 4 with the reset switch in between. Contact number 1 has the thermostat switch, which is this copper bracket pretty much, and connects to contact number 3. When you set the temperature with this red knob, what actually happens is you change the pretension of the copper bracket. So you might hear some clicking when the thermostat closes. Right here is the contact. It will be very hard to show, but when I kind of change the preset temperature, this makes and break contact. So this copper tab, I'll set this aside so you can have a better look. This copper contact is really finely designed and it's really precise. This will expand and contract depending on temperature change. So let's make this as an experiment. Right now the room temperature is about 20 degrees, so this temperature sensor will have around 20 degrees. As you can see, there is a plate that connects right here, and this hits the copper tab. I'll try to set it just about 25 degrees. You hear the click. Now contact 1 and 3 make contact, and I will show you this. I'll have my multimeter here. Now they make 1 and 3 make contact and let current pass. This pretty much controls the resistor that heats water. And of course 2 and 4 are always on. When water gets heated, and I'll show you that later, this moves just a little bit, and now contacts 1 and 3 don't make contact. So I will barely let this like this, and we'll leave that making contact. Right now I'm going to take the hair dryer . I'm not sure if you could see that on camera, but it breaks contact. It doesn't have contact, and right now it cools. In about some seconds it will make contact again. Let's see. So you probably heard the clicking. It made contact, and that's how it works. Please do not try any disassembling or repairing yourself. Only authorized person and qualified electricians try that kind of work. Thanks for watching.